Oh, I saw your question. This question's not from the homework, but I believe you got this from the book. The formula for the speed lowercase s of a driven pulley in revolutions per minute is lowercase s equals capital D times capital S over lowercase d. I guess they tell us what each of these mean. Find the speed of the driven pulley, which would be lowercase s, with a diameter, lowercase d, of 5 inches. So, diameter, d's the diameter. If the diameter of the driven pulley is 10 inches, that's capital D, and its speed, capital S, is 800 RPMs. So I just put the three numbers into the formula, and I went ahead and added to units. I mean, the inches drop out. 5 goes into 10 two times, so it's going to be twice as fast because the size, it's half the size of the driven one, and so it's 2 times 800, which is 1600 RPMs. I hope this helps.